loves, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you guys can see, I want to do something that is more relaxed than I would normally do for my YouTube videos. For today, I want to challenge myself, try something new that I haven't tried on my channel, and that is trying on a semi-permanent hair color. This one is from SEPHORA collection. So I had this for quite a long time now, but I've been very hesitant to try it. But since I am planning to chop my hair off, I am quite bored on my hair. I think it's been over a year now since I had my last hair color, and as you guys can see, it is quite brassy right now. They said it still looks so good, but I feel like I need new hair color, or at least like haircut. I know it is semi-permanent, so it's not too risky, but still, if I don't like it, then whatever, I'm going to have my haircut soon. But if I love how it turned out, then probably I'll keep my hair for a little while. I'm basically going to do a review and have a first impression of this product and see how it works for me, for my hair color. So wish me luck, guys. So I'm now here in the washroom. So I opened the box and it says here to start with clean dry hair. So I already washed my hair and blow dry it. And second is to wear the first pair of included gloves and then apply to desired areas, avoiding the scalp. Massage onto hair to saturate. So it doesn't have a brush. I feel like I should have a brush at least to like apply it nicely, or like layering. But what I'll do is I kind of like section my hair. I don't think I would put the pink or the hair color on my dark hair, or like my natural hair color, because I don't think it will show up anyway. It will just be a waste. So I'm just going to focus on where my hair color is. And then I don't think you have to use the whole thing. It's pretty big, especially my hair is like super thin. Guys, I'm super new to this, so I don't know really what I'm doing. I think I should be like wrapping it after I put the color. So I don't have anything that I'll be able to wrap my hair. It doesn't include anything like that. So I have this one saran wrap, and I'll see, maybe I'll just wrap my hair with this one. So let's get started. I'm nervous. It's actually pretty thick, so I don't know what to expect, guys, but okay, so I'm putting a bit first, and I don't know, kind of. Oh, it smells, actually smells good. It smells like fruit. That's surprisingly good, because usually when it's like chemicals or hair products, like your hair color, usually smells really bad and like you know, like a chemical smell. Okay, so I just grab a comb. I am bad in this. So far, guys, it looks like that. Okay, so now I feel like I'm going to use up the whole tube. I think I'll be putting more now. Okay, and then the other half, guys. We're almost there. So it says to keep it, to wait for 30 to 45 minutes. Or it says don't inhale or ingest. And I'm like, it smells so good. Jeez. So you read the instructions, right? Oh, Wayne. Okay. So I think we're good. Let's how it looks like right now, guys. So it took me about 20 minutes to do the whole process, and then it says 30 to 45 minutes before you rinse it. I don't know, I feel like I should do longer than that, but I'll put 30 to 45 to like maybe 45-minute timer first. So we're gonna put a timer on, and I'll check in with you guys later on. Hi guys, so it's been 50 minutes since I put my hair up after putting the hair color. So I'm going to wash it. So where's our instruction? Okay, so it says Wearing the second pair of included gloves, rinse hair thoroughly with water. And then that's it. And it's gonna be a big reveal after that. So I'm gonna hop in the shower and check in with you guys later on. Hey guys, so I just finished rinsing my hair and this is how it looks like after. So now I'm going to, I can already see that I didn't color that part well. Well, I'm a professional in this, sorry, but I'm going to blow dry my hair now and see how it will look once it's dry. It's pretty bright to me, but yeah, it still smells like candy. It smells really good, guys. When I was rinsing it, I feel like I don't need to put shampoo or conditioner, but I still did just because of a routine that I'm used to, I guess. But it was soft, doesn't feel like it dried my hair, so that's a pretty good thing, I think. Okay, so this is how it looks like, guys, after I blow dry my hair. So you guys can see it's more like a strawberry one color. I think I like it, aside from the fact that I didn't apply it nicely and evenly. I think it's good for a first time because, like I said, it's the first time doing hair color at home. So I want to bring you guys outside to see how it looks like in natural lighting. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like in natural lighting. It colored pretty well, I think. So that's how it looks like right now. I wanted to style it and curl it and see how it will look like as well. But I think overall it did pretty good. So I just went inside, guys, because it's getting windy outside and it looks like it's going to rain. But I just wanted to mention too that this one only costs $16 and they have two other colors. They have teal and purple as well. Also, it is ammonia free and doesn't require peroxide or mixing. So for first impression, I think it's pretty good for the price and for how it was for me as a first timer too. It's pretty quick and easy, pretty straightforward. So it says it lasts for 7 to 10 washes, and it also says that depending on your hair type, it might not wash off quite easily or after 7 to 10 washes. And it says it's not recommended for medium brown to dark hair. And it also have here a picture of what your hair would look like after based on what is your original hair color. So I think I want to do a full review on this one and update you guys how it will look like after 7 to 10 washes and after I curl it. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys again. Good morning, my loves. I just want to do a quick check-in. So this is how my hair looks like after my first wash and after I curl it. So I think I like that. What do you guys think? So I went outside so you guys can see on natural lighting. This is how it looks like. So I'll check in again after 3 to 4 washes and I'll show you guys how the color holds on my hair. So yeah, see you guys. So this is my last check-in for my hair. I washed it 7 times today, so this is how it looks like. I just curled it because I filmed today. So this is how it looks like. It is quite faded already, but you can still see some of the pink tint here and there. But yeah, I'm not going to check in on like 10th wash because I'm pretty sure it will be fully faded. But yeah, I enjoy this color for a little bit. After 7 wash, you can still see some of it. So I think that's pretty good. So for my first impression or my review with this Sephora collection semi-permanent hair color. So the color is Psychic Pink. That's the one I have. So I really enjoyed it. For a couple of weeks that it is quite vibrant. It is a nice change of look. So if you guys are asking me if I would recommend this, yes, I absolutely would recommend it. For 16 bucks, you would get a nice, fun, and funky color for like 7 to 10 washes. So that is amazing, I would say, for the price. And I would recommend this for people who want to have a change of style or look, but without the commitment of having that permanent hair color. If you wanted to try like how you would look on pink, blue, or purple hair, then you can try this one first before committing to a salon grade hair color. Plus, it is a pretty good alternative because the ingredients are really good. Less chemicals, less harsh ingredients on your hair, on your scalp. So this one is amazing for that. I would just say that you would need your hair like blonde or bleach. Just like myself, my hair is quite bleached from a hair treatment from a salon. But if your hair is dark, like my roots like this, it won't show at all. So that's the only thing that you have to keep in mind, because your hair color will be a big factor on how the result will be. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and this little review of this product. If you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and make sure if you want me to do more of this kind of vlogs, let me know in the comments below and what you want me to review next on my channel. So thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys next week. Take care and keep safe.